What is good, you guys? I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and thank you so much for being here. In this video I'll be making pop R&B kind of chill laid back beat. Alright, if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification and smash that like button and share this video to all your friends as well. I've done a lot of video about beat making, music compositions and Cubase tips and all that kind of good stuff. Please do check all my other videos. I'm sure you're gonna find a lot of information there, and I hope that I've given you enough value for your time. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a very laid back guitar beat, and I've already loaded up my favorite guitar plugin from Ample Sound, and I'm gonna just start recording it. Okay, so I want this beat to be laid back, and I want it to have like a slow tempo. I'm going to reduce the tempo to 99 maybe. Okay, I'm going to loop 2 bars and let's see what we can come out with. Okay, I'm gonna cut the low here. Alright, I'm gonna reduce the tempo a little bit more, 96 maybe. Yeah, let's record it. I'm going to adjust the notes here. Okay, I'm going to add swings a little bit. Okay, synth, got the synth here. Okay, I'm gonna bounce this synth. Okay, and let's add halftime. Let's add some drums. Cool. I want to add some reverb here, pre-delay and longer tail. Let's try that. I'm gonna adjust the volume. Here I'm gonna cut the low. I'm gonna reduce the volume of the guitar as well. Okay, let's go ahead and add hi-hat. Just a straight quarter note pattern. Okay, I'm gonna add another one more hi-hat. Okay, I like that. So let's move on to the next instrument, I think I want to add some kind of shaker as well. Okay, what else can we add? Let's render this. Okay, we gotta put a lot of reverb on this track. I want to add some kind of distortion to this track. Should I add one more vocal chop? Yes, track version. Let's render this as well. Let's add 808, right? I'm gonna duplicate this over. Okay, let's start arranging this. So I'm gonna start with the guitar, no kick, snap. Yeah, let's try that. No, 808 as well. Okay, the beat is basically done. I hope you guys love this laid back beat. You know, it's very simple, it's very chill kind of beat, and I kind of like this actually. I think I want to work on this more, you know, like write the lyrics on top of it and, you know, maybe release a song. I kind of love the chill vibe that I get from this beat, right? So let's hear it one more time, just a simple arrangement. I know I don't do arrangement at all for the beat that I mean in the video. I think I should do a video where I do the arrangement, you know. So let's hear it one more time. dope. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all.